everybody, I'm LG at the Grand Rapids Children's Museum, and today we're going to talk about making cardboard creations. For this project you can use any kind of cardboard box or any kind of cardboard really. I have here this cardboard box, and for this project you can make your cardboard box into whatever you want. I thought today I might make an airplane, so we'll start with that and see what happens. I have some wings that I cut out here. Some airplane wings, and I'm going to tape them onto the sides. Let's see how this works. All right, like that. I have an airplane wing. You know what, I wonder if my airplane could be half airplane and half car. So let's get some airplane windows on this side. Maybe there is a person in this airplane who can be waving to us. There's a person in my airplane. And then on the other side of the box, let's make this side a car. Let's see, a car usually it has a roof. Sometimes it's a convertible, but we'll give it a roof. And then it has a trunk. Here's the trunk. And it has a nose. A windshield. So you can see the person driving inside at the steering wheel. Here's the steering wheel. Here's our driver with both hands on the wheel in their seat. We need a car door with a handle and another window, a back seat with another window, headlights, tail lights, that's what I need. And now I'm going to put some wheels on my car. I have some circles here. And there we go. We have a half car, half plane cardboard box. And if I were a small enough person, I bet I could drive my plane car around. So as you see, you can make whatever you want. Just use your imagination and see what you come up with. Thanks for playing. See you next time.